How's it going, everybody? It's Christian L here with Eat Like an Apex. We are still on our San Diego food tour, and we're checking out a place called the Belgian Beer and Waffles. We're gonna take a look at this place here for the brunch time hour. So stick with us as we continue walking around San Diego and enjoying this food tour. With that said, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hope you find time to subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate that. I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now.
I'm Mathias, yes, nice to meet you.
How you doing?
Good, how are you? Perfect.
We're here at Belgian Beer and Waffles.
Exactly.
Belgian Waffles. And we're here with the owner, Mathias.
Yes.
Gracious enough for us to come and check out his spot here.
So it's very new, we just opened 3 weeks ago.
Oh, just 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, so we're just starting here.
So Matthias, what is your specialty? What is it you guys do?
So it's a waffle place.
Waffle place.
Yes,
Okay.
so we have savory waffles, we have sweet waffles.
Okay.
And the concept is actually you can build your own waffle.
So we're gonna check out some of the food here, the atmosphere, the community, beautiful restaurant, and Matthias, the man here. So let's get to it.
Those ones are already ready, so exactly, that's a waffle maker.
Contraption that makes the waffles, kind of flips it. He said it's 1 minute one side, another minute the other side. Belgian beer and waffle, and I picked up Americano to kind of get things started here. I'm gonna try a sip of that. Oh yeah, that's very smooth. I didn't add any sugar on it, so it is on the slightly bitter end. Not very bitter, but yeah, you get that nice roast. So the first thing he brought out here, just on the side, it's the vegan waffle. I really like the way they're shaped. I'm not sure if I've ever had a vegan waffle before, but let me just give this a bite here. Was it good? Yeah? Vegan waffle. There's no added sweetness on there. Yeah, overall, a great substitute if you're kind of vouching for that vegan route. So I picked up the loaded fries, and you see here it has that bacon crumbled up with that cheese, and is that a sriracha mayo? But I'm gonna go ahead and try those fries first. And these are actually some pretty thick fries. They're not on the thin scale. These these got some depth to it. All right, grab some bacon and put it on. You know what? We might have to just deal with a fork, so I can actually grab most of the ingredients on here. Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. This is the loaded waffles. I mean, loaded fries. I'm sorry. Loaded fries. Oh, hot. Wow. That's got some really enunciated, starchy texture to it. Starchiness to it. You bite into it, you really get that fried texture. I really taste that potato. No, that's fantastic. The bacon, the crumbly bacon, the cheese, and that spice. Wow. And it's not really spicy actually. It's more like a tanginess. A tangy dressing on there. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so this is the chicken and waffle, and there's an egg on it too. Let me slice it. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. All right. So I got that chicken and waffle and the egg. Look at that egg. That's a nice scrambled egg. Just pierce it through. Oh no. Okay, got it. All right, I put that bacon on top. So this is essentially everything that's on the plate here. Oh wow. The combination is fantastic. But I believe it's that bacon that gave me that salty hit. Crispy salty hit. Oh yeah, that went great with the chicken waffle. The chicken waffle, egg, and bacon rendition. Oh, that's really good. That chicken is nice and crispy. That tender meat on the inside, and that batter. Oh, that's fantastic. Let me just bite that chicken by itself. This chicken strip right here, it's fantastic. And there's like a salt seasoning that gives it some more flavor. Okay, chicken waffle is on point. Loaded fries on point. Let's move on. Try a little bit more of that Americano. Get some of that coffee. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's their is that their emblem?
Chicken.
Chicken? Oh, you're right. You got a good eye for that one. I mean, can you tell that that's a chicken?
So good.
So good?
Perfectly salted and peppered. Not too salty. I hate it when it's too salty. This place is bomb.
Okay, this next item we have here, it's the avocado waffle. You see here you have that perfectly cooked, sunny-sided up egg. And was there something underneath here? Oh, more avocado. There's avocado, tomatoes, and a waffle. And then you have avocado here with some micro sprouts, I believe. An egg, avocado, tomato sprout mix up with that waffle. And I'm actually gonna do the sandwich thing here. Yeah, this is gonna be awesome. There we go. I know, I gotta get that leak right now. Cheers. Oh, no bite, no bite. All over my face. That's a good thing. I had to taste that bite with that runny yolk before it started dripping. I think I got most of it. Fresh avocado, mashed up, coupled with that egg and the micro sprouts and the tomatoes with that waffle. That whole combination of this avocado waffle is fantastic. That's a healthy option that is both healthy and delicious. So I'm gonna take one more bite of this here and chase it with a fry. Come on, hurry up. Yeah, let's go. That's ultimate right there. I like that, the avocado freshness coupled with that tangy, salty, savory, loaded fry dish with that cheese. Oh man, this is a great brunch right now. How's that?
Good. That avocado, I'm just like closing my eyes, melts in your mouth.
What's up? Chicken, avocado, toast, waffle. All right.
I've seen it. Like I've been.
It's almost ready.
Our final dishes of our brunch hour is the sweets desserts. I got one in particular for Shauna and Safi. I know they like strawberry, so I asked them for the strawberry. But not only did they add the strawberry ice cream on top of their Belgian sweet waffle, which I'm dying to try, but they added the strawberries, bananas, whipped cream, and a Nutella drizzle. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go ahead and just try some of that strawberry, banana, and the strawberry. Okay, here we go. I got it. Oh, I love Nutella, so this is gonna be a treat for me. Here we go. Cheers. Wow. Okay, I'll tell you right now, the particular ingredient or item that sticks out is that waffle, that sweet Belgian waffle, man. Wow, you could have that waffle by itself. The other added ingredients on top, the ice cream, strawberry, whipped cream, those are just like add-ons because it's all about that waffle, man. That waffle is crispy, it's sweet. You bite into it too, you get that nice soft moist texture from that waffle. But wow, that's fantastic. That's a strawberry rendition. I picked up cookies and cream and praline. So just 2 ice creams, scoops with the drizzle of, oh I'm sorry, there's also powdered sugar. The strawberry one also has powdered sugar as well. And that waffle. I'm gonna optimize my bite by getting nearly everything on here. So cookies and cream, pralines and cream. Okay. So excited to try this bite here. Cheers. Blown away by that waffle. Like I said before, sweet, it's crispy, it's soft. The cookies and cream, the pralines and cream, that Nutella. So I love those ingredients. Yeah, this is on point right here. Both of them are delicious. You have a variety of different flavors to try and different other toppings you can add on too. But this is what we picked up here and it's fantastic, man. I'm gonna get to work here, you guys, and enjoy this wonderful sweet dessert. Wow.
Rock and roll strawberry.
My goodness.
Perfect.
All right, so we have the peach apricot beer. They're not gonna be called Belgian beer and waffles and not have the beer. So I know it's kind of like midday, but had to try and get some of that beer. Recommended peach apricot. Oh wow. Slightly sour, slightly sweet. Ultimately, oh, that's very refreshing. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, I do taste that apricot. And peach is a hint of it too. Belgian beer and waffle place. We just had our meal, our drink. Everything was just fantastic.
Right, how'd you like it?
Dude, yeah. I've had it before, but not like this. Not like
okay.
in this abundance. These fresh flavors are so like
So what
really
was your
wonderful.
favorite?
I'm not trying to be biased, but that last dessert,
Oh, the last
sweet
dessert?
waffle,
The Liège waffle?
it had me just kind of crying like, oh my gosh, that was so good. So, but everything here was fantastic. You know?
Wonderful.
Guys, Belgian beer and dessert here in San Diego. Visit Mathias, check out his shop here. Get yourself some waffles, some beer, and some coffee. It's great.
Thanks for coming in. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Hey guys, we drove over to Balboa Park here in San Diego. We're gonna kind of walk around, take a look at some of the sights here. Just want to close off this food session from Belgian Beer and Waffles. Matthias, what a hospitable and a nice person. Appreciate the love of your craft. We're gonna continue the San Diego food tour in the next video. Me and Shauna will just kind of walk around here and enjoy some of the sights here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Peace out, one love, late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Later.